Here's a quick little State of the Trees video for September 20th, 2020. The letter B means that the tree was replanted this year because its predecessor has died. As you can see, I got these posts ready to put up some fabric for the snow screen from the wind and sun over the winter, and I just put down some fresh mulch, being careful to keep it away from the roots or the trunk, so it's a couple inches away from that, or there's like a little hole kind of thing. So this is 18B. It was replanted. Looks like it's doing okay. This is 19. Doing all right. And this is 20. Now this one was planted late last year because there was a smaller version of it. It is now in a pot and doing fine, albeit very small still. And then on to tree number 1, which is small probably because of its position amongst these other trees, but there it is, tree 1. This is tree 2. Seems to be doing okay. This is tree 3B. It needed to have been replaced. Seems to be okay. It's a little sparsely leaved or fronded, but it did all right this season. 4B also needed to be replaced, same deal. 5B needed to be replaced. 6 is doing probably the best, other than tree 2 and, oh well, actually looking at them, some of the other ones are doing pretty well, but this one's doing quite well. It's over 4 feet tall, and it's filling out nicely, and it is all set for winter. 7B, that one was replaced. 8, doing okay. 9, this one had like a browning section of it, like a different taller part, and that all turned brown, and this was just left like a side sprig that I left growing, and it's probably doubled in size since I pruned it back. And hopefully this one makes it too and continues to grow, because I do have ones I could replace it with, but I don't want to uproot one just because this is slower, or it might take longer. All right, 10. Tree 11. Looks like there's some spacing issues going on here, but hopefully once these all get bigger, they will space themselves out or grow into each other well. 12 is doing very nicely. 13 is also doing quite well. As you can see, 12 is above the 4-foot line of the upcoming posts for the snow screen. Here's 14 and 15 and 16. These last 3 were getting shorter and shorter. 15 is probably the shortest of these last 5. And the 16 is a little taller than that. And then 17 is filling out pretty well, even though it's not quite, I mean, you can see it's probably about 3 feet tall right now. And that's the current state of the trees. Let's give you a nice shot of the line. And there's 18, 19, and 20 over there. And there we are.